Hey guys, new week, the week before we get spring break. This lesson is for point of view. It's lesson 17 in your reading book. And I am looking at page 270 for day one. Our learning target, remember, is knowing that characters in a story can have different points of view will help you understand how they think and feel about what happens. So different characters have a different point of view. It's like if something were to happen in class, you have your point of view, and the problem maybe with another student, they have their point of view. And it depends on how you take it and how you feel, depending on how you react. So here it says, read each character or person in a story has a point of view. A point of view is how a character thinks or feels about other story characters or the events. So the point of view is how that character feels about other characters or how that character feels about the events that are taking place. You can often figure out a character's point of view by looking closely at the dialogue. And dialogue is right here, or what is said. And you see in the picture below, they have the little speech bubbles above where they're at. You can also get clues from how the characters act. You can tell by how someone reacts to what you say as to whether they like it or not most of the time. When you read a story out loud, you can change your voice to show different characters' point of view. Kind of like when I do our read aloud, I try to change my voice up a little bit to let you know that there's different characters talking and how they feel. How I talk, it and will give you a lot of information about how I feel when you hear the sound of my voice. So look at the picture below. What is each character's point of view about the pet lizard? So you have this person, meet Lizzie, my new pet lizard. So if it's her new pet lizard, how do you think she feels about Lizzie, the lizard? Then you have this person who's leaning in. Cool. Can I see it up close? So that person wants to get close to the lizard. And then look at this person here. Look all the way over here. She's sitting across the room, fingers up to her mouth. And her question is, does it bite? How do you think she feels? What's her point of view of the lizard? So if you look at our next page on 271, it's showing you a chart. Let's just think. Look again at the cartoon. Finish the chart to show each character's point of view. Also, write details that help you figure out the point of view. And they've done the first one for you. So you have the different characters. The first one where the girl is holding the lizard. The next one is the girl that has the hat on. And then the last one is the girl that's in the chair all the way across the room. So the point of view of the girl who's holding the lizard, they write likes the lizard. It's just a phrase, not a sentence. And we know that because of how she's read. She got the pet. So of course she probably likes the lizard. So then what are the details that tells me her point of view is that she likes the lizard? Well, she has a lizard in her hands and look at her face. She's smiling. So now go to the second row. It says girl with the hat. So if you go back and look at the girl with the hat, that's the middle one. What is her point of view? Now it gives you the details. It says the details, she leans toward the lizard. So if she's leaning towards the lizard, what's her point of view? So you should have put that she likes the lizard. Now, how about the girl in the chair? Give me a detail about the girl in the chair. Look at her. She is all the way across the room with her hands to her mouth. So she is sitting away from the lizard. So what do you think? She is afraid of the lizard. All right. So tomorrow we're going to review this and then we'll look at the next day, the next part of our lesson. Okay, guys?